That's not my teddy. Its paws are too woolly. That's not my teddy. Its nose is too soft. That's not my teddy. Its paws are too rough. That's not my teddy. Its patch is too squashy. Turn the page. Oh, how was the patch? Can you turn the page for Mommy? Good girl. That's not my teddy. Its ears are too fuzzy. Can you turn the page again? Oh, that's the other book, so I need you to turn the page for me. We'll finish this book and then you can read, and then we can read another one. Can you turn the page? Good girl. That's my teddy. His tummy is so furry. Okay. Good girl. You want to read That's Not My Bunny?